So welcome back again to our next tutorial. Now in this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to add conditional icons to our table visual. Right? We can see we have two different type of icons here. The first one is created using DAX, using a Unichar or unique character function. The second option is using emojis or a text-based character. The next one is using Unicode emoji characters that we can use inside our DAX code. But do not rely on uni character function. So that's what we're going to do today. Two options. This is not okay. Let's go to the next page. Now this is a table visual. Again, we have four columns here: the company name, the year for 2023, 2024, and the delta change, which is just a comparison of the year 2024 and 2023. Now, if we have a positive change here, then that's a good variance. If we have a negative variance there, then it means we have lesser sales in year 2024. Our DAX code, I already wrote the code. I'm just going to drag it to our table visual. Let's see what's going to happen. So this is our icon. The code for that is if not in scope. Now the reason for this code not in scope, so that we are not going to have an icon for the totals. We're only going to have icons for the company name line items, right? So I'm going to flash it again. Now these are the unique character code. This is for positive. That's the check icon. And the second unique character code is for the cross. And the last one, this is just the dash if it's equal to 0. Now we can add additional formatting for our sales year-on-year icon because they are all in color black. We wanted to have additional conditional formatting that if it is a check, we want it to be green. And if it's a cross, we want it to be in red. Okay, so how can we apply conditional formatting for our icon? Select the icon, right click, conditional formatting, font color. Rules, values only. What field should we base this on? We are going to base this on the sales year on year delta. Okay. Now we're going to apply conditional formatting on the positive value first. If it is greater than equal, greater than 0 number, and less than equal to number max. Let's just delete this. What's the color? Color green. Add new rule. Now, if that is equal to number 0, that's that color beige. New rule. If that is greater than equal to number delete min and less than 0 number, and that's going to be red. I'll choose this darker red here. Okay, that is our formula. Let's have a quick review. If it is greater than 0 number, less than max, green. If it's equal to 0, then beige. If it's greater than minimum, less than 0, that's red. Click OK. So now we have applied those colors to our icon using the unique character function in DAX. Now our next icon that we are going to build is coming from emoji, right? We call it emoji. So let's go back to our working table. We are just going to copy the DAX that we wrote for the unique character icon. Control C, right click, new measure, Control V. And then we are We're just going to change this to emoji. Now the DAX code is again the same, if not in scope, meaning we are just preventing to have an emoji or icon inside our grand totals. Now, what is our emoji? If it is a greater than zero, now to get that emoji, we have to press Windows dot uh, in your keyboard, Windows dot. And since I have selected it previously, that's why I can have the most recent use emojis from this list. But if not, you can find that emoji using the search box. You can type in check. This is the emoji for the positive and cross. That's the emoji for the negative. All right. So for me, I'll just select this. Now, since this is a text based, we have to include double quote. Let's change this to the cross, Windows dot, select the cross, double quotes. And for the zero, double quotes, you can just have a dash inside, or if you want, Windows dot again. Just look for the hyphen on this one, like X. So that would be our tax code. Please commit and drag it to our table visual. Okay, we don't have to apply conditional formatting for the font color. It's automatic that the color will be applied for our icon using emoji. So thank you for watching and see you next time.